Hi everyone, my name is Kayla, and today I'm going to be interviewing Neil from PuriFire Labs. Hi Neil, how are you doing?
Hi, Kayla. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And excited to be here.
Yes, we're excited to have you here as well. So to kick it off, we'd love to hear a little bit about your startup, PuriFire Labs, and how you're contributing to decarbonization.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're PuriFire Labs. We're a carbon capture company, and we're tackling the problem of global emissions from manufacturing industries. So polluting industries such as steel, cement, chemicals contribute nearly 31% of global emissions. And if you look a little further, electricity manufacturing contributes another 27%. So that's about 58% of global emissions. So PuriFire Labs is a carbon capture company that's commercializing one of our carbon capture technologies that liquefies CO2 from waste gases for downstream sequestration, storage, and usage. Our technology can be applied to various applications from polluting factories, hydrogen production, and eventually even coal-fired power plants. But we're starting small by targeting bioenergy plants and small factories.
58% of global emissions, that is great. Sounds like you're making a big difference. What was the inspiration behind you building your startup?
Yeah, I can tell you a little bit more. So PuriFire was founded in 2019 by Dr. Matthew Pierce, who's been working on carbon liquefaction technologies since probably 2018. And so we are a impact-driven startup that has a portfolio of patented climate solutions that can make a dent in global emissions. The PuriFire founding team is a complementary, diverse team with experiences across business, engineering, and science. However, what brought us together, aside from our complementary skill sets and background, was our aligned vision on how we wanted to scale Purifier and the impact that the portfolio of technologies that we have could have had.
Wow, that sounds really great. Thank you for sharing. What have you achieved over the last 2 months working with SBC and our corporate partners, Mitsubishi and NYK Line?
Yeah, so as a team, we were very excited when we were invited to join the SBC Decarbonize program. During the program, we were able to undertake a problem discovery exercise with Mitsubishi and NYK leaders, as well as interview other industry stakeholders on industry challenges. This has allowed us to work with startup bootcamp and corporate partner mentors to refine our value proposition and update our product development roadmap so we can tackle these problems and add value to our partners. In addition to that, we've also been working with these various business units from the corporate partners to identify projects for collaboration.
That sounds like a lot of value. I love seeing all of that happening. So, now to switch it up a little bit, what is one change you want to see in the energy industry by 2030?
So the world is gathered in Egypt for COP27, right? And this is COP27. And so this started all the way since COP1 back in 1995. And the only thing that has changed since then has been the rise in global emissions as well as the rise in temperature across the planet. And so we believe that if we need to solve this climate crisis, we need stronger policy across the board. We need to prevent commissioning of new oil projects. We need a more robust carbon tariff framework in place. And most importantly, we need to make corporations pay for the harm that they're causing the environment.
Yes, those are all very good points, and I hope to see that in the future as well. Thank you so much, Neil, for the interview today. We loved chatting with you about Purifier Labs, and we wish the best to you.
Thank you so much, Kayla. I appreciate it.
Have a great rest of your day.